irretrievably broken. Hence, the marriage between petitioner Malavika and the respondent Rajendra Verma, solemnized on May 14, 1983, is hereby dissolved by this decree of divorce pronounced in open court on the 21st day of December 1990.
Thinking about his long-lost parents, even after 20 years, you're still hurting yourself. Come on, you got to be bold. You're a young director. You started this nostalgia early in the morning. Here.
Everything is fun for you. When your parents separate, you don't understand your children. They go through hell.
If only I could understand all the kids in the world. But you could never understand your woman's feelings. What's the point?
Listen, Gina. There is only one thing that happens in a man's life. That doesn't affect others. That's his marriage. At the same time, everybody involves in that as well.
You mean to say my parents? Listen, sweetheart. They are not as liberal as you think they should be. And then they are even okay with me staying with you alone in this town. Doesn't that mean that they trust you so much in their life?
That trust need not go away anywhere.
They want me to end this living in together and get married as soon as possible.
For now, let's get married after our morning walk.
Listen to me. Don't you think this is important? You're aware, right? Mom and Dad are coming next month to this town. They have only 1 month leave. They want us to get married before they could leave for UK.
Don't you have to go for work?
I have to. It's an evening shift.
I think you should be focused in your career. Even in places like Iran, women are getting married very late. They have been focusing on education and getting a job. There are people who oppose that as well. In fact, they think of the people who haven't got married as their enemies.
With the increasing number of eligible bachelors, I think it's highly dangerous for the society.
Just to get them settled and make them responsible. That's why marriage.
Oh, hi.
Hey! In olden days, women used to expect from their husband a little respect, dedication and a little bit of time for the family. But women these days would want their husband to encourage them in every field.
If all you need is support, then I have that in abundance.
Don't joke. As far as an ordinary girl like me is concerned, the proof that she has turned as an important aspect of a man's life is called as marriage in society. When we try and build up a life together, it's actually fun.
So you guys, my dear beloved children, before going to the battlefield you pray once, before you go to the sea you pray twice, and before you get married you should pray 3 times.
Dear Johnny,
Yeah, tell me.
I understand your frustration that you could not get married early. That doesn't mean you spoiled somebody else's marriage.
If you cannot control your desires, just get married. Rather than divulging with your desires, it is better to get married. During college days, this is the dialogue which I wrote for my drama. Do you have any clue how many fans I had? I just cannot explain how it was.
Yeah,
and that explanation only actually brings it. My dear sister, all the married people want to be bachelors and all the unmarried people do want to get married. This is the actual fact. Do you have any clue about that?
Did you read my screenplay?
Then what? That is the reason why I'm talking about marriage so eloquently, right?
I'm asking because I'm ignorant. Does this cameraman need to read the script? No, because our channel doesn't follow that.
Actually, there is no such practice here also. The reason being the script is actually completed only on the release day, na? Some change it even after that. Can I tell you a fact? In my 15 years of experience in this field, before the shoot began, this is the first time that I happened to read a full script. I appreciate this guy for that.
And what did you feel?
Cocktail of nostalgia and new generation. There is a similarity between cinema and life. If you don't edit it carefully, the story changes. I am like that only.
Let's stop talking and start running.
Hey, is it necessary to run?
Let us plan that ambulance sequence here only.
Yeah, that will be fine. Good.
I know. You're always thinking about the movie.
And in your mind, only love.
Oh, yeah? What should I tell mom and dad now?
Let us finish the movie.
Lights on.
Okay, ready for take, sir?
Who is that? Please move.
Okay, friends, ready for take? Action.
Hi. We have met before, right?
So what? What do you want?
Nothing important. I heard that your father has got a BD factory and there are about 120 employees working there. I am the secretary there. Have you heard about that?
Very happy to know. You're a football player and a very big flirt in the town, I know.
Oh. Hello. The employees there are planning to go for a strike. I will see to it the factory is closed.
Why are you telling me all this? Go and tell my dad.
Actually, I have a reason to tell you this.
What is that?
The reason is I have fallen in love with you, dear.
Happy to know. So what else is the town talking about?
I am telling you, if you don't marry me,
And if I don't? What will you do?
I will commit suicide soon. Do you think that I will tell such a dialogue? Let me tell you, I will break all your bones. Darling, please don't spoil my dreams, dear. I am loving you so much, my dear. I will do anything for you. You alone should be my life partner. Wherever you go, I'll be there with you.
I have heard that you go around and stalk women and express your love for them.
Not at all, dear. Other than you, I have not spoken to any girl in my life. I have not even seen them. I will never see, I will never talk also. Sweetheart, you are the girl of my life.
And then?
You're for me, I'm for you.
That's really nice.
And that's how war begins. Arguments happen. Families are against it. Everybody is against it. Everywhere it's chaos. Remember, the story happens 50 years back. And at the end, Jamila Bibi gets married to Abdul Qadir.
Oh,
And they were living happily together. And that is when a banana.
Just listen.
I understood, dear. I'm just going to have my bath. Should I wear a shirt for that also?
But you never listen to what I say.
Till this date, have I ever objected anything for you? Tell me. I'm a gentleman. You should always wear clean clothes and go outside. And behavior, it should be discipline. Most important, I should not talk to any of my useless friends outside. Have I ever objected to any of your conditions, my dear? Tell me, darling. In this world, the most important reason a girl marrying a man is to change that man completely, right? To show him a good path, to involve in all his personal matters so that he does not involve with any other girl. This is your responsibility, right? Any girl's philosophy in life. Huh?
By the way,
Yeah. Anything else you have to tell me? Eh?
no, I passed my BA because I wanted to sit at home, right?
Oh, my sweetie. You need not strain yourself, dear. I will take care of everything. Okay?
Oh, enough. I've been hearing it every day.
Just today also you should do the kitchen work. From tomorrow, I'm going to do that.
Just don't joke, okay?
Tell me, what do you want now?
A red banana.
What?
Red banana. Can you get me 2 of them?
Oh, so you just require 2 bananas. You're fond of eating that? Huh? I will buy it from the local shop. If I don't get there, I'll just cross the river and there are small shops in the market where you'll get it. Don't worry. I'll buy for you a bunch of bananas.
Only 2 of them.
Mwah. This was my wife's first wish after our marriage. If it was some other girl, they would have asked something big, you know. Bro, girls don't have any limitations for their wishes, bro.
They keep on you asking so many things. They themselves don't know what to ask for. They will ask you so many crazy things. Lion's hair. If you don't get them, you had it. I had asked you for a small thing. That also you cannot offer me. Such a small thing. Don't talk to me. You don't love me. I know that. And then they will start crying. What husbands can do? There are other type. They want only a small ice from the Everest. Such a small thing. If you don't bring that to her, she will start telling weepingly, I asked you for a small type of ice. That also you couldn't bring. You better kill me. That's all. What husband can do? Now you tell me what your wife had asked you for. Tell me frankly. Just 2 pieces of red banana.
After having my bath, I will go and buy a bunch of bananas.
Just don't go around roaming. Come home early. Don't wait till it gets dark. I'm scared to sit at home alone. Don't forget anything, okay?
Not at all. Red bananas.
There are other types of bananas available, but no red bananas.
Huh?
You go to the market.
Ah. Bro, red bananas.
No, red bananas are not available.
Oh.
You can buy oranges. Better than red bananas. Not very costly. Has vitamins too.
Oh shit, how can I cross the river now? Just get lost. girl's brains. Sweet. No, don't harm me, please. I'm not a thief. This is your one and only innocent and handsome husband, my dear wife.
How did you get inside?
I'm a smart husband. All the doors were open for the smart husband, you know, because you're the only person
Don't
my
kid
heart
around. How did you get in?
via our kitchen.
You used a stick to open the door, isn't it? What if some thief would have seen that? Now he will come. How can I sleep in peace now in this house?
You bloody fool! Did you know that you have not closed the door?
Is it? Yeah, right. I didn't close the door, I believe.
Oh my god, how can I prove this? Has any girl in this world ever admitted that she's done any mistake in her life?
Oh,
Huh?
where's the banana?
I did not get red bananas.
I'm going to bed.
Why don't you have these oranges? I did not get it. With great difficulty, I've got this for you.
Don't just lie to me. I hate oranges. You bought them, you eat them.
Sweetheart, just get up. Darling, just get up.
I'm sleepy.
Sweetie, with great difficulty, I got this for you. You know, I would have lost my life bringing this for you in the heavy rains.
I told you to get red bananas.
It is not available in the market. Tomorrow I'll try to get the plant of red bananas.
Yeah, right. And then I'll have to wait till it grows up and ripens the fruit.
Okay, why don't you have the oranges now? It's got a lot of vitamins.
I don't want them.
You should have it now.
If I don't eat, you'll make me.
Get up.
I won't.
You can't get it?
No.
Oranges?
Are you going to kill me?
Yes, I will. I will cut you into small pieces and I will prepare biryani. Come on, have this. You should listen to your husband. Come on, have this. Have it fast. Quick. Not enough. More. Did you see this? I will kill you. Eat fast. Okay, spit the seeds and then have it. Who am I to you?
I don't know.
Did you see what is in my hand? You better give me a reply, okay?
My husband.
Will you ever try to object your husband? If you say yes, you'll have to face the consequences.
I won't try.
What are you eating now?
Orange.
Did you see the knife in my hand? Now tell me. You're eating red bananas.
Those red bananas.
What are you eating now?
Red bananas.
Come again.
Red bananas.
Once again.
Red bananas.
Huh?
Red bananas.
Got it?
And then that night was over. Next day happened. Many days and years passed. The river flooded many times at that time. Abdul Qadir Sahib and Jamila Bibi had become too old. Their hair has become grey. They have become really old. They have become great grandparents. But even then, nostalgia comes back to them sometimes. Abdul Qadir Sahib asked Jamila Bibi with a smile.
My dear queen, once you wished to have red bananas, do you remember? With great difficulty at midnight, what did I bring for you?
The red bananas.
How did it look like?
They were as round as oranges.
What did I bring for you?
Red bananas. Fine.
When you start liking somebody, our happiness will get attached to their body and we become somebody else. We just keep on quenching our thirst.
To be frank, dude, this love and marriage, and then like what you said right now, irrelevant philosophy. Actually, I don't believe in all these things. Nowadays, there is only one emotion that human beings can express properly themselves with: sex.
It's Gina's message.
Yeah, carry on.
Raj, I need an answer. You sure that you need me in your life?
Don't forget what Bernard Shaw once said. If you want to punish a man or a woman, you may lead them to slavery, but not to marriage.
No wonder why. She keeps calling you the destroyer of marriage.
Hi, sir. You call me.
Hi, Swapna. How are you? Is Gina there?
Can you just hold, sir? We just wrapped up our evening news.
Okay.
How is the shooting coming through, sir?
It's going well. Thank you.
I'll just give it to her. That's your fiancé. Hi, how are you?
What happened? You sent me a serious message.
I would have sent you an even more threatening one.
What was that?
Are you going to marry me or not?
And then why didn't you send?
This happens to be your first movie as a filmmaker. I didn't want to disturb you in middle of your busy schedule.
Should I get married or not? Oh my Gina, you know very well. I am also searching for the answer for this same question.
Just like the characters in your story, their life is so beautiful. Why don't we also dream something like that?
Listen, Gina. When we love each other, we only see the goodness in the other person. It's easy to love someone else's goodness. But then, what about the negatives in them? Can we tolerate their negatives also? That is the question.
If you see something like that, you can always tell me.
Gina, this is your only problem. Whenever I say something generally, you personalize it. I am not saying this because I don't love you. You are the best I can get.
Then what is it?
Cinema. That is the only thing in my mind.
So what's your next story?
Dar es Salaam. Do you know the meaning?
Indication of peace. Did you forget you wanted to give a house that name?
You know, Gina, when I was writing Kader and Jamila's story, I had the backbone of a really good screenplay. When you don't have a good screenplay, you have to look into their own lives for the next story. A kind of recreating the reality.
And one character is this film director.
It was only 2 years back I saw them. Major Frederick Mugundan and his beautiful wife Rita.
I haven't forgotten. You told me how you swam into her dreamy and beautiful eyes. If you can look through those eyes and look at the beauty of her, a man will be ready to surrender and won't be able to think anything else. I remember.
You can say anything to your girlfriend. With just one kiss, she will forget everything. But then, if you're going to marry her, you should not tell everything. Once your kisses become boring, she will remember everything.
Talk about the movie.
Rita and Major, the most happiest couple that I have ever seen. But then, only one of them is alive today. What would have happened to the other person?
Merry Christmas. Hi, what are you doing here? What a pleasant surprise. Come.
Hi, Raj. What a surprise.
Major,
Come in. Please come in. None of my old friends are coming. After our death, there is no activity here. Somebody should be there to talk, right? She was not a person who spent 24 years of her life with me.
I can understand your situation. But Major, you don't know what I lost.
I just actually wanted to take a bath, if you don't mind.
It's okay, Major. You carry on.
What do you want to drink, tea or coffee?
Hey, nothing.
Whatever it is only I who have to give you all this. Anything to read?
I'll be happy being myself alone.
Okay.
Years back, on a holiday, I was staying at a hotel for 3 days together.
Hey, sweetie. Yeah, good.
Excuse me, sir. Would you mind to accommodate 2 more persons here?
Okay, no problem.
Please come, sir. Madam. Sir.
Sorry, is it a trouble for you?
Hey, it's okay. Please sit.
I am a major from the Indian Army,
Hello.
and this is my wife. Please sit. Have you ordered your food?
I am Raj Karthi.
Yeah, just give me 2 plates of. It's only crowded here during the season time. We have traveled almost every place in the world. But frankly speaking, we have not seen an ambience of this sort anywhere. And by the way, what do you do?
I am a student in a North Indian Film Institute. I was scouting for my locations for my diploma film. My story starts in a beach, that's why.
Oh, great. So you're staying here for that.
Yeah, but I will leave this place within 2 days' time. Actually, my camera crew is camping at a high range. That is the main location.
That's wonderful. We are also staying there only, right?
Oh.
At the hilltop. Very nice place. Once in a while during the weekend, we just come down.
Oh.
Hardly 2 hours drive. Have it. Ah. Okay, friend. Keep my card. Please do come to the house.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you too. Good night.
Please have your food.
Yeah.
Within few days itself, I met them again. I had to get permission from Major for shooting at his place, and Major happily agreed.
Hello, friend. How's it going?
So far so good.
All the best.
Thank you, Major. See you. I had just finished the shoot for my short film, and before going back, I went to their bungalow just to say thank you and say bye, and also to see Rita.
You can come here anytime you want. Drop in whenever you're free.
Okay.
Once you're finished with the course, what are your plans?
I am planning for a movie.
That's excellent. All the very best, young man.
Thank you. See you next time, Major.
You know, there is a very nice step in salsa to say goodbye. Come, darling, let's do it.
Why not?
Please.
Goodbye.
Really nice. Thank you very much. While I was walking out, I was thinking about Darussalam, the house of harmony, Darussalam. I was waiting to come back here one day. After many months, I came here again. For me, I can see some changes. I wish to be a very young and handsome guy in front of Rita.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Hi! What are you doing here? What a pleasant surprise! Come. Come. Darling, come out. See who has come home.
Hey, you again. Come on in.
Hi.
Please come in. Come, we'll sit here.
Okay.
Come.
Yeah.
Why don't you have dinner tonight?
Hey, that's not needed. That will be
Don't
trouble.
stand on ceremonies. Just call me by my name.
Okay.
Go ahead. I'll join you.
All right.
Before dinner, what about a drink?
Thanks. I don't drink.
Occasionally?
Yeah, in some parties, I have tasted alcohol a bit. I will keep the glass in my hand until the end of the party.
That's good. Very good. Then, cheers.
Cheers.
Do you know who this rascal is? He's our son. This guy is the only one for us. Studying in England. It's been 5 years that I've seen him. Nowadays, he's become very lazy even to call once in a while. In fact, I am ready to spend any amount for him. But he's actually a very big scoundrel.
Just like the father.
Yeah, enough. Thanks.
Since the time we came here, we are alone. I don't have anybody here. Nor am I interested to make new friends also. Please.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you. To welcome me and give me food, there is a beautiful family. And here, even if I am nobody, I become an important guest. To be frank, Major, your family's atmosphere, it's really wonderful.
After marriage only I started being successful. Each and every individual in my native was very happy to hear that I am leaving all of them for a job. To get a job in the foreign army, I had to change my name to Frederick Peter. After several years, I came back to renew all my old friendships. My mother actually fixed and arranged a wonderful marriage for me. That's where I met her. There onwards, my life changed forever. She is my lucky angel, you know. She's just used to all this. Every night before sleeping, a little bit of music.
I could hear my heartbeats for a minute. I was even ready to die for her in that minute. Just because of your touch, I feel stronger today. And then, when I reached the living room for a minute, I lifted my head with happiness. I can fight the whole world for you. Just one kiss, that's all I need, and I have got it.
When did you start all this? After her death, there were no parties here. Nobody comes here also. Her delicacies were actually very famous there. When I was in service, my boss used to call and say, "Freddy, Sunday I'll come for lunch. I want all Rita specials." Don't you know Mr. Abraham, millionaire? Ha! He's produced 4 movies, man.
I've heard of him.
At any VR of the day, he'll drop in here to have food. Cheers.
Cheers.
When she was there, the weekends there was actually a celebration. After getting drunk, my friends used to say, "Let us go to Freddy's house." Whatever the time is, she'll smile and open the door. And within a few minutes, whatever we need will be on the table. She loved a lot to welcome new people. Among the officers' wives, there was an association. She was the president of that.
Your son, he didn't come? You didn't tell anything about him?
He didn't come. He didn't come. He won't come. Hey, come. Let's go in.
At first, I thought I should not come here, Major. Because when I come here, I think of Mrs. Mugundan.
Tell me. Let me listen. Come on.
Rita's death. That was a shock.
Yeah, for many.
Major. Rita. She was like an angel. Whoever came to her, she gave them her love and also her warmth. She was like a star, very far away in the sky.
Yeah. Continue.
She is the one girl whom I can never forget. Forever in my life. I don't have words to explain. She is like music. She enters your soul.
You won't understand what I have lost. You have no clue. The hair. The hair is where she is resting. The bloody bitch. I have to build a monument there for her. In a place of solitude. She was actually in search of solitude. I will build a monument for her. For having slept with many people in her life, I'm definitely going to get her a monument.
Major, don't say rubbish about people who died. She was like an angel.
Angel? Angel with black wings. Her last admirer. When she was alive, my house was a paradise for others. But for me, it was a hell. Always. I wanted to kill her 100 times, do you know that? But I couldn't. She won every time. At the end, I too.
The first time when I left from this house, I had an awesome picture about a beautiful family. I had always dreamt about that beautiful family in my mind. That colorful dream has become full of grey. My dear Gina, I am going back now to the independence of being single. If your parents were separated by a divorce when you were a child, then there is a possibility that you will also do that.
Listen to me. Mom and Dad will be reaching the airport anytime soon. Whenever they meet us, the first question will be about our wedding. What am I supposed to tell them? What should be my reply?
I will talk to your parents. They will understand.
If you're deciding on not to get married, then I'll tell them myself.
Marriage. That should be stopped legally, that is my opinion. Where more than 50% of the marriages are a flop, marriages should be banned totally. For example, if we go to a restaurant and get food poisoning, what do? We'll create a havoc and shut down the hotel, right? But in this case of marriages, what are we doing right now? Tell me, we are repeatedly having it right, country fellows.
Mr. Johnny, please.
I didn't know you guys were in a serious mood. Sorry. Sorry, dear. Please don't feel bad. Sorry.
Gina, don't think that I don't want you along with me. But there is a guy who's just 5 years old who was sitting alone in the shore after his parents were separated for 20 years. I had experienced that loneliness. You were the one who got me out of it. You know that. You taught me the depth of love. You know that too. Even then, I am not able to convince myself now. Hope you can understand. If a relationship has the chance to get failure, we should always know that.
I'm leaving. I have to go and pick them up.
Gina,
Let the shooting go on. I'll be praying for you always. At least now you told me everything. Goodbye.
I have to inform the children, no? They may ask where is mother.
I'll tell she'll come.
For how many days?
Stop the van the next junction.
Why?
We should not take the ambulance. Children will feel afraid.
For how many days you are taking leave?
My wife expired. Since my wife passed away due to unforeseen circumstances, I need 2 days leave. Maybe if I need a leave extension, our boss would call me and discuss regarding extension. I am totally shattered. Hope he understands. He doesn't know anything. He doesn't know about my wife. Her beautiful curly hair, her cute smile, her graceful walk. Nothing he knows about her. It is all my loss alone.
You are feeling lonely, that's why. You should have informed the relatives. They might be wanting to see her face for the last time, no? Her parents and others.
Her parents did not give permission for us to get married. It was a registered marriage. We did not think about both of our relatives. Both of us faced a lot of problems. Both of us stood for each other alone.
So, that was the reason behind it. I am not telling you as your colleague, but as your brother. Now funeral is over. Inform the relatives at least now.
Please stop. Let the truth have the strength to bear everything for one day.
darling, get up, dear. You're my darling. Get up. Come, baby, get up. Come, sweetie, you can't sleep like this. Get up. Come. Dear. Get up, dear. Do you know what's the time? How long are you gonna sleep? Today's Monday, remember?
Did the kids wake up?
Standing alone here. Please come, I will drop to your home.
No.
I said you know. Please come and sit.
No need. You go.
Climate is not well. Please come, bro.
It's all right. You can go.
Then okay.
The elder one likes engineering.
Is it?
He always tries to create things here.
Hi.
We should make the second one a doctor. Did you observe his forehead? I'm sure he is a very brilliant child. The youngest one is not scared to walk in dark. I think he'll join the army.
I want to go to play. Hey, wait. I'll become with you.
Hey, change your uniform and then go.
No. Okay. Hey, Catch. Hey, okay.
Open the door. What happened? Open the door.
No.
Where is she gone?
Okay.
Dear, what happened? Dear.
heart attack. She passed away before 1 hour.
Can you hear me? We should make him a doctor. Did you see him? He's not scared to walk in the dark. Elder one is interested in engineering.
Daddy? Where is mom? wake up. Hey, wake up. Balu is sleeping, Daddy.
Did you eat something? Dear? She had prepared everything without knowing that she is leaving today. No. We should not have this food. Dear, I'll cook something for you.
Dad, when she will come here?
She'll come.
Dad, see these sweets.
Come, dear. Let my children have, because they can't have the food prepared by their mother. Do you want some rice, dear?
No, Dad, it's okay. Sweet is very nice. Yes, Dad, he is correct. Sweet is very nice.
Cut it! Rain off! Shot okay. Thank you everybody. Back up!
Bro, are you satisfied?
Okay.
What happened? Where is she? Why she couldn't come here?
She must have forgotten.
Are you missing her?
Only when we miss somebody, we will understand their value.
Now ask you Gina marry me, then what is your answer? Please cover the camera. Come, hurry up.
I could hear my heartbeats for a minute. I was even ready to die for her in that minute. I lifted my head with happiness. I can fight the whole world for you. Just one kiss, that's all I need, and I have got it. Gina, will you marry me?